Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the ThermoPro brand, the 2 probes, 2 sensor TempSpike. This is the TP962 500-foot Bluetooth wireless meat thermometer for grilling and smoking meat. This uses a free app called TempSpike. We're going to show how to use that. This product has been very successful and game-changing in the meat thermometer market. Has some really unique features. We're going to go over everything because it's got a lot to offer. Now, I'm a big fan of ThermoPro. I have a lot of their products, as you can see right here. They make some outstanding products, and this is no different. This is really amazing. So we're going to open this up and show you all the features that it has. And before I begin, it comes with a really nice instruction manual telling you how to operate everything. And of course, all the contact information from the company is on this card that's included. So let's take a look at this up close right here. First thing you notice is there is a charging port on here, USB-C, and it comes with the USB-A to C cable. We're going to show you how to charge it. It's very simple. There are charging indicators on there on the top, and it gives you the battery life. You can see it has a center and the left and the right. The center is this base unit itself, and the left and right are the probes, the black and the white probes on there. Now when you get this unit, you got it all charged, turn the light on, and you notice there's no temperature yet because I haven't taken the probes out. So these are going to connect Bluetooth to this and give you that 500-foot range. Also to your mobile phone, it'll work with Bluetooth 500-foot when you run that actual app that I talked about called TempSpike. So that's really amazing. This is using Bluetooth 5.2 so that you can really walk away from your grill and be up to 500 feet away, and you can get all the different alarms set up also so that you're never going to burn something. And what's really cool is there's 2 probes and 2 sensors, so you can actually simultaneously measure internal meat temperature and ambient pit temperature while still reading highly accurate in just 3 seconds. Which is really cool. Now we're going to show you the app also, which I've already downloaded on my phone. This has a smart alarm, effectively manage your time. This app takes the guesswork out by estimating how long to cook, set up ambient pit temperature alarms with cooking pre-alarms that trigger within 5 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Fahrenheit or 15 degrees Fahrenheit of the target temperature. And both your smartphone and booster will beep to remind you. Now this is rechargeable and waterproof. The signal booster for this wireless meat thermometer for grilling and cooking will last up to 3 months on a single charge, which is pretty amazing. The probes themselves are IP67 rated stainless steel. They have super powerful magnets on the end of them. We're going to show you that. And that way you don't have to worry about them being cleaned in water to your sink. And you get 36 hours on here. So what's happening is when you charge this, it's charging these probes also, which is really cool. Now let's just show you right here. I'm going to take one of these out and take the white probe out first. Let's turn on the light right here. Now when I take this out, it's automatically transmitting data. So you can see right there the ambient temperature is showing 81 degrees right there. Now if I hit the motor button right there, there's the meat temperature. So right now it's measuring the white probe. Now there's a line right there. If you look close, you want to make sure you push this into the meat up to that line. So this will be sticking out of the meat just like that. And it'll measure the ambient temperature on the white part there and my hand temperature or the meat temperature right there. So put that back in like that. Now let's try the black one right here. Now the black one is enabled when I automatically pull it out like up there. And it should start transmitting, and there is the data right there on the unit. There's 77, put the light on, and that's the meat temperature, and there's the ambient temperature. I can go back and forth right here with the button. So it's just that simple to do and that quick. Now we're going to be demonstrating this on various meats and showing you how cool it works to actually monitor. Essentially you're monitoring 4 temperatures because you're monitoring 2 meat insertion temperatures and 2 external pit temperatures with this, which is really pretty amazing. So I wanted to show you on the bottom of the unit, they have nice siliconized pads, even one over there. And then there's a magnet I'm going to show you that allows you to have this stay on a metal surface. So you take the probes out and you can put this on here. I'm putting it on the stainless steel hood as an example, but that's nice so that you can have it placed on your grill if you wanted to, or in your kitchen somewhere, just like I'm doing right here. And charging is very simple. Take the included cable or any USB-C cable, and here I'm running it to a 1 amp simple adapter, USB-A, and then it charges. And you put the light on right there. You can see that's got a little indicator telling you that it's actually charging. So in this case, it's charging the base unit, and the probes are already fully charged. Now the Twin TempSpike features a 5-minute auto off function that preserves energy use for extra long battery life, as well as the low battery indicator lets you know when it's needed to charge, and that'll be right there on that display. ThermoPro provides a 1-year warranty on this product, which is excellent. So here I'm going to try the app that I downloaded, the free app. And it says before first using, fully charged, which I actually did. Turn on the booster by removing a probe from the booster or pressing S button for TempSpike 2. So let's just see if we can press the S button right there. Now we can also remove a probe so that it'll start transmitting the data from that probe. It says press the plus or the add device button to begin pairing. So let's hit add device, allow. Make sure your Bluetooth is on when you do this. So there it came up, and you can see that the white probe, which is what I took out of the package, is showing the temperature right there, and you can see it showing it right here as you got internal and ambient temperature. Now if we take the other probe out right here, which is the black probe, I just love the way these probes look and feel. They get really high quality feel to them. And now you see that comes up right there, the temperature, ambient, and internal. So that worked pretty nicely. Now let's look at some other features that it has. Let's look a little bit closer at the app. So I have both probes on, and you can see it's got probe black, probe white. And if you hit that right there, then it gives you more detailed information about that probe. See, it says probe black right there. The alarm is on, vibration is on, has the temperature right there. And you could go further into the profile right here, and you can set up a profile, but you have choices for beef, fish, ground beef. You can pick these, hit the OK button, and then you're all set for that probe. You can go back to the other one right here. You can go to the white probe, and it has the same options. It tells you what's going on, and you can set up a profile for it, and also pick all the different food categories so that you could very accurately monitor whatever you're cooking. Okay, so here we're going to be cooking a whole chicken and a 2-pound meatloaf, and you can see I've got the temperatures already there, and I have the temperatures are there, and I have the probes inserted in the meatloaf and in the chicken. Now we're going to put them in the oven. So here it is in the oven. Now we're going to let it cook, and we're going to be monitoring what's going on. So here I'm in my dining room and getting some of the remote temperatures. So here it's showing me the oven temperature on each probe, and here I can hit this mode button right here, and it shows me the internal temperature of the meat. Then I have the app right here running, and I can expand on this. So this is the chicken, and there's the green approaching the different temperatures. The profile I have it set up, I get set up for poultry right there. Hit OK. And then for the other one right there, this is the meatloaf. Let's go to the profile right there and go to ground beef. Hit OK. So now it's going to monitor, and it even has an alarm on there. So what's really cool is that this has such a wide range of transmission. So I'm going to just take this outside and just chill out a little bit, because now it's on automatic mode. So I'm outside about 250 feet away, and got the app running, and I could see what's going on. I can see that the meatloaf's at 127 degrees internal temperature, and the chicken's at 63 degrees internal temperature, so it's got a long way to go. So I could be outside doing yard work, and I can get the alert from the app, or on the device itself will alarm me. So, I mean, how cool is that? You can't mess up your meat anymore when you got this app or that base station. This is just really an impressive product. So looking here, you can see that the ground beef for the meatloaf is approaching one of the alarms, and we're going to see what happens here. So there is a countdown timer there. It's an estimated time left, so they're approximating the time that it's going to be finished for it to reach 160 degrees Fahrenheit, the target temperature. And there the alarm went off on the base unit and on the app. Pretty cool. So now it's time to get the meatloaf out. So check this out. My wife took the chicken out of the oven and also the ground beef because it was finished, and it's alerting us because it sensed that the temperature, ambient temperature, dropped. So here it is, and you want to take the probe out. You want to protect your hands, and before you clean the probe off, let it sit and get the room temperature so that you don't damage the probe. And there goes the alarm for the chicken. Time to take the chicken out now. And there's the finished product. The meat's perfectly cooked thanks to the ThermoPro Twin TempSpike. So after testing, what do I think about this product? I'm really impressed. This thing works amazing. The app works amazing. I'm totally impressed. I just love all the features on this. These probes, as I demonstrated, work flawlessly up to that 100 feet distance away. Got the charging cable. This is a really unique product, and I think you're going to want to get one if you do any kind of meat cooking on a grill inside your house. This is the product to get. This is way more advanced than anything that's out there. So I'm going to give this product a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you're alerted to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There'll be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helped you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.